Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get the Azure Beauty coupons code or working discount promo code, then this video is for you. So first website you can go is CouponFollow. You can follow this link here, that couponfollow.com/site/Azure Beauty.com, where you can find most updated coupon codes that they have released, where you can find the details about the discount here or the offer. Then you can find show promo code button. Simply click on it to reveal this code from here. So here you can see it has just revealed the code, and you can use it on Azure Beauty. Now the second website is the Coupon Nation, where you can follow this link like couponnation.com.au/Azure Beauty promo code, and you can find this page where all the code are listed in this section. Here you can see. Now you can find the details about the discount here. Here is some terms and conditions. Make sure that you follow the terms and conditions, and it is verified also. So simply click on see code, and you will be able to get this code. Simply click on copy code, and it will copy to your clipboard. Now the third website is marieclaire.com.au/discount code/adorebeauty.com.au. so if you follow this URL, you can find the list of coupon code and offers in just one web page. So here is the details, and here is the usage times. Now you can simply click on get coupon, and you can find the coupon code and the details. If there is no coupon code needed, then you can find the instruction that sign up to get code. So you have to sign up to this Azure Beauty website, and you can get the bonus or get this discount as a new customer on their website. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up and try on this code one by one and see which one actually works for you. Thanks for watching. Till next time.